Myntri ke sorkar Jylla Bapet Yakatanat Community and Rural Development CNRD, but MLA ke Jirang constituency ba sustenance sotun, Mynta kan rio terik naitung, Lum Jingïalang Kyrpang but ki officer ke Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board, ke Meghalaya Industrial Development Corporation Limited, kinomi ikmat jong ke Byrnihat Industries Association, but kinoyalam shnong, ban yathir yatai halor kilat kilinti, ban te lakam ya ke Jingjaboh ke banang jor Byrnihat. Ha ke Jingïalang long ha inspection bungalow jong ke MEECL Byrnihat lawan shimentar u chairman ke Mspcb R9 Malai u deputy commissioner ke Ribhoi Abhishek Saini u superintendent of police ke Ribhoi Giri Prasad u member secretary ke Mspcb Dr DH Chirmang ringkat bad ki officer bad scientist ke Mspcb ki officer ke MIDC PWD bad ki noyalam shnong hapo kalama ke senjuk ki rangba shnong Byrnihat area. Ha ke Jingïalang, kinoyalam shnong kila pin pau ke jing smok kya ke bajur, halor ke jingkta jong ke Jingjaboh, ya ke kot ke kya jong ki paidbah, kila kino ba ki officer ke Mspcb kimji ya ke jing be ki paidbah ki mat man ke Sngi, namar ke jingmi jong ke air Jaboh bat ke jingsma ke bami na ki kharkhana. Kinoyalam shnong, kila ongru babun ki kharkhana ki jupinduna shipor ya ke jingmi jong ke trem Jaboh, tang shio jingtip ba ki officer ke Mspcb kinwan jurim. Kilapin pauru ba ke jingpang tibi bat bampong bat kiwei pat ki jingpang bayade bat kering minsiam kila nang jor ha ke thain na kalyang ke Mspcb ki officer kila ong ba ke bot kadang kare shitom bante lakam ya ke Jingjaboh bat kam shimla shong klikti kumshi benta ban pin khlan ya ke jingpit ngor ke Mspcb kala Thaw ya ke committee ba Kyrpang ha ke ba ki paidbah bat ki noyalam shnong kinla ban pha jingyo jingtem ki dor bat ki video shaka bon habalap ikino kino ki kharkhana ki ba pen khen ya ki kindon jingada maryang kani kan pin sok ya ka bon bat shim kham kloi ki sinjam ki badon kam ha ke jo kapor laya kran ru halor ke jingdon kam ban play ya ke regional office jong ke Mspcb Byrnihat khnang ban pin stat ya ke jing pet ngor bat ke jingyo opedyang ya ke jing ujor uba asostana sotun ula kular ban ra ya ke ne kamat show Myntri rangba ke Jylla Nakalyang ke Byrnihat Industries Association kinomi khmat kilak kentaj ki katto katni ki khubor bat kidor ki basaphriang hakilat pathai khubor da ka baong bakilong ki bapin baklai ke jing shisha kilapin paw ki kharkhana ha Meghalaya kila shimbun ki sinjam ban pindunai ke Jingjaboh bat ba shibun na ke Jingjaboh ka bakta ya ke thain Byrnihat ka wan ki kharkhana ki badan ha ke Jylla Assam ki badan marjan bat upor usam ka Meghalaya
We believe they are chor. Sometimes we do not verify what is actually the truth. So we want to understand what are the facts, what is the story which is happening, and then look at how we can solve the problem of pollution in Byrnihat and all everywhere else also. So I would like to start with the next slide, please. Now, when we look at the next slide, everyone, all of us have seen these images, right? We have seen these on our mobile phone, on the TV, on media, somebody saying, living in the most polluted city in the world, inside the most polluted city, putting his hand on his mouth saying, ethanol, Byrnihat. Byrnihat emerges as India's most polluted place, right? India's most polluted, and these are just some screenshots. If we look, there are 10,000 like this, right? I want you to look at this for 1 minute and keep this in your mind. And as we go with the discussion today, we will also see where some of the images and facts are coming from. Now what is happening is Byrnihat is being centered and targeted like a witch hunt for pollution. Some time back, pollution numbers were higher, but as Sir represented, and you both represented, the pollution number for PM10 and PM2.5 has reduced in Byrnihat. But still now, in 2026, so much news is coming out that Byrnihat is the most polluted place. And how gossip spread from one person to another. Like gossip, this is spreading without actual factual verification. And what is happening is influencers are coming to Northeast, to Meghalaya, and they are driving engagement with their viewers all over the country. They are getting like, comment, share. Media is driving TRP, and there is some hysteria and panic spreading amongst all of us. All people who are not living in the region also, and for people like all of us living in the region as well. So we want to discuss that where is all this imagery coming from and what is the issue that is happening. Now the the first thing, when we go to the next slide, we see that the first thing has come from IQ Air. IQ Air is a Swiss company which does global pollution rating for the world. This is the website for IQ Air. Now when we look at this today, we will see that this part is most polluted in the severe category. We are here in the northeast. It is not so polluted. This part is entirely polluted. Now if we see this ranking at the moment, Jakarta, Indonesia is number 1. Then there is Congo, then there is Delhi, Lahore and Chile. We can also look, this is the data I took last night. Now if we click on the website, do we have internet? If we click on this website, we go directly to the AQI data, which is live for them. It shows most polluted city in the world right now is Jakarta, Congo, Tel Aviv, because there is so much bombing and war happening.
That is the
Ranking here. This is the live ranking, live. July 6, 2026, 1 hour back. When we look at the data, at the moment, Jakarta most polluted, Congo second, Tel Aviv, Johannesburg, Beijing, Lahore, Mexico, Jerusalem. Delhi has come down a little bit because it rained in Delhi yesterday. So because of rain, it has come down a little bit. But this is the ranking of the most polluted place in the world right now.
we experience when we come on a normal site inspection. If already informed, that has become very clear. If not informed, things have become dusty. So I did not expect this from the referees, because why I understand the problem. But then I'd like to seek the cooperation of the village head, because why we have already have the email for complaint. Directly it is in my email. If you have any videos, anything to complain, you can directly drop in box to me, so that I can take matter at a stretch. And for that matter, sir, we time and again we found the non-compliance, and we have issued a number of environmental compensation, monetary compensation, and we have closed down a number of them from time to time. So I think it's a matter of sustainability, and I request the service to you have heard, it's not from me, you have heard from the local grievances, and I think you should think about it, because what he said, we are traveling in a AC car, we don't stay here and we follow everything here. I don't think that should be the case. We should think from human point of view. So I think this should not be everything. I think we should do it sustainably. And for us, please don't mind, we are a regulatory and monetary body. If reported such activities, and we have no other option but to go as per the provision of the law. And you can kindly mark my email. You can keep from begin. Next Mspcb.
Industries are sitting in the AC room, and they are coming and going from Shillong to Guwahati on AC car. They never step even in the road also. How do one witness this? So that is the big question from us, especially the smell that is coming now and then in our village. And I hope that all the villagers and Rambak Shnong also, they will agree that one. Smelling is not yet stopped even now, but we could not say, we will not blame to any factory. But maybe you people, you will know better that one. So please, we would like to walk together with you about that.
But ada budget baladep, artisnya baladep pro galadon ke jingkren jui, ba alis ke regional office kumbalao isa di bandon hane. Lamar kilap ban monitor. Iwan be na Shillong kano kilap. Staff kiduna tenagaliang jungi isa ni kerpat lepi kumu minister burang burong. Ba pin ke seulem sa sorkar. Ba kuno ka pollution control board jong ka office ka regional office ka di bandon hane Byrnihat. Nambah pilak ban monitor ba kontrol kini barofat. Nampak kini kating jangka berjebok tam dan the dirtiest place on earth will erase. So that is our request.
Kumbagalong hi ka Byrnihat kam dai tang Mynta kasien ba kami haka list nam ta ka ka jing ka shnong ba jaklia tam ba Mynta Sngi don hangasoban apan pau je bleng don lang I chairman jong ka pollution control board idon lang nakaliang scientist nakang idon liang nakaliang dong ki industry association Meghalaya Daily nangka nakliang ka ki member nakliang ki joka pollution control board baro nangta kumjuru naki nakai MIDC nangta ki nakilang ki line department ki pair ki bedon lang ne kapor nangta khamtam ki sunjuk ki rong ba shnong ki ba don hani hapo jangka Byrnihat area ki layo banya kren hagbede bat ka hagbede bat ke Jingjaboh ki bami nakini ki industries baro but kladon ki presentation ki ba nakliang ka industries nakaliang ka pollution control board keladon ka precision haba maki keladap ban batai langi baro but hakni ke jing kren kelami bun sibun ki jingpen pau nakaliang ki rangba shnong sibun ki jingpen pau nakaliang ki baro ki bayadon mentalang hakan ngesngi khamtam hagbede bak Jingjaboh ki issues bami ka jingpen pau glong ba hagbede bak ka koi ka khia ba ta ka ki nongstoin jong ke Byrnihat hi borok koi bat kumjuru kilami ru ki jingkren hagabede bat ka kirai ki bamangi layo banya kerpat bani kren nang ta ban yak industri baro ba ki jaklia baro kimdei ban pelech wa direct bat kumjuru hagabede bat ka jingsma jong ka tedem ka bami nakunu ka factory ngimtip enrei ilabu ya ka jingkerpat Shaka pollution control board bakin dan ya ka purpose study ban check nakunu ka jingsma kawan but ya ka jingta hagwede bakan ke jingsma ka ba mi nakini ki industries but kumjuru iladon kataka nakaleng ka Meghalaya pollution control board ilabu iru ya ka committee ringkat bat ki rangba shnong nagamenta kumno banangla susu ban monitor hagwede bat ka Jingjaboh ka ba mi nakini ki factory but mila donru kajing kerpat ya ki industries baro ba ki haban follow ya ki rules jong ka Meghalaya pollution control board nangta kladonru kataka jingmut batarai hakaba ki no ki rangba shnong lane ki rupat ba ki basa hakani ka area kila ban shondur kila ban pa ikidur ka complain ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board lada badon kino ka Jingjaboh ka bami nakini ki factory ki badon hapo jong kene ka area Byrnihat hibro koi Jingjaboh kibede bat ka regional office nam ta ban check la ya ka pollution hane ko Byrnihat ka jing karpat hi kalong la kamslem ban nginge skam ba nakilang ka sorkar kaba ia don lang i kadmen skam ba kini ka office i sala ban bu knang ba kan la ban monitor khamba ringkat ke jing don lang ki staff na ka poshak por na kamta hagbide ba kini ka jingmi e ki tlem jaklia ki pa ha ba po jong kini ka area ka jungi ban ngalabu ru ga jingkarpat hagbide bat ka na ka pollution bat ngi ngan sebu ru ya ka jingtho sa honorable chief minister ban don kataka join the meeting lane kataka inspection hakba inyo manekren lang bat kaleng ka Assam side nomor ba ki industry si Byrnihat kamdei tang haka area jong ka Meghalaya industry si kidon sa Assam kidon bun bangi kidon ki red kidon ki orange kategori ki bakla bu hakita ki kategori hakaba ngili ba kidon sibun hagiweru ki jaka ki ba ki industries ki penmi ya kini kitrem jaklia tengi bu ya ka sebu ya ki jingtho ban karpat honorable chief minister ban shimban ban khot bade ki counterpart Assam na ta ban check ikini ka jingpenmi ya ki industries ya ki trem ki ba jaklia khnang ba kanong ka jingïada ya ki pa nongstoin nomor ba ka area ka Byrnihat area hi habangi tai kam dei tang ha na ke amdei tang ha ni ka area industries ki hindai baro sedu nane na Byrnihat sedu sa khanapra ngin i ba ki industries ki badon boot side jong ka ni ki interstate border idon ni ki industries ki ba la ban kta ya ka koi ka khia ka ba ki paidbah ki nongstoin ki don ha ki ni area.
They have raised many issues with regard to health, the rise of tuberculosis and cancer, and some of them also they have raised the issue which is of the I would like to request all the factory owners where the flush of waste where we are directly flushing the waste to the Myntri river. This is not a good move And I should say that for this you have to totally stop. And as we have discussed regarding with the health issues, so we have also discussed with Deputy Commissioner and the Chairman that study has to be done. Proper study has to be done. The scientific study has to be done. Whether this disease cause is due to pollution or some other source that make the health issues of our people. And I would also like to thank the presentation which you have given to us so that it will clear the doubts, because until and unless we are sure with any of the news, we should not be panicked. We have to be sure, because we cannot just listen or accept the unverified news, because sometimes now with the advanced social media network, and our people, especially in the rural areas, not only that, even me myself, when they said to me that photo regarding the Byrnihat most polluted, instantly I agree. I said yes, because I'm staying there. I feel that that video where the clips he's sending, it is the true image of Byrnihat. But when I listen to you, the presentation, I do also agree, because many of the images where it cannot be compared with that photo where Byrnihat is. By saying that, I do not agree. By saying that, I do not agree that pollution is not there. I agree that pollution is there. And as we have discussed regarding the smoke, regarding the smell, where we are receiving, where we have to inhale the bad smell, that has to be properly checked from where it has come. And then to all the factory owners, you have set up business here. Our people, they are kind enough, they welcome you to set up business here. And direct, indirect income also, I do agree. I think all our headmen will agree, direct, indirect income also, earning is there. But you cannot just break the rules and procedures, conditions laid by the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board. You have to abide by all the strict rules. So, after this meeting, where you have given the presentation, I would like to thank each and every presentation which you have given, but make sure that any of the violation with regards to the emission of smoke, I would like to request the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board to take strict action on any of the industrial unit who is violating the rules and conditions laid under the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.